Now, friends, let us talk about three good movies that you all should watch. In that, the first movie is something that I always tell in my classes also, and the movie's name is The Big Short. This movie actually tells you how three people became millionaires at a time when the entire US market actually crashed down and how they did it by entering into a short selling position. So, this is a movie that actually teaches you practical way of how stock markets work and how financial management is applied in the stock market, how they do research. An amazing movie to see how people can make money even when the markets are falling down. The second movie is also about the stock market, and the name of this movie is The Wolf of Wall Street. This shows how stock markets used to operate earlier, when you had brokers who will call you and ask you to buy shares, sell shares. Nowadays, everything has become automated. You have an app, you click, and the stocks you can buy, you can sell. But there was a time that doesn't happen, and how many people became extremely rich using the market sensitive information. The third movie is a beautiful movie called as The Social Network, which is basically nothing but the life story of Mark Zuckerberg, how he started, how he developed, this programming software of Facebook initially, how he initially sold off a big stake to somebody else, and then at a high valuation he had to buy it back. Then how the company's valuation went up, etc. So these three movies tells you about financial management, friends. So my request to all the CA students, please watch these three movies whenever you're free. Thank you so much.